Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda CRV AC compressor. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, it is crucial to safely discharge the refrigerant from your AC system using appropriate equipment. Remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the process to protect yourself from refrigerants and any potential debris. These initial steps are vital for a safe and successful replacement. Now that safety is covered, let's access the compressor. You will typically find the AC compressor on the lower front of the engine. Before you can remove it, you'll need to remove any components that are obstructing your access, such as the serpentine belt. Once clear, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the refrigerant lines from the old compressor. Taking your time here ensures you do not damage any surrounding parts or wiring. With access clear, it's time for removal and installation. Begin by unbolting the old compressor from its mounting brackets. There are usually 3 or 4 bolts holding it in place. Carefully remove the old compressor, paying attention to its orientation, as this will help with the new installation. Then, install the new compressor, ensuring it aligns properly with the mounting points and is securely bolted into position. This step is critical for proper function. For the final steps, reconnect all electrical connectors and refrigerant lines to your new compressor. Next, it is essential to evacuate the AC system to remove all air and moisture, which can cause damage. Afterward, recharge the system with the correct amount of refrigerant, typically around 1.5 pounds, following your vehicle's specifications. Finally, test the AC system for proper operation and thoroughly check for any leaks to ensure everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.